Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the right version and saving your world. This prevents data loss. First, back up 2 save copies, one local, one cloud, so you can revert instantly. Next, verify your game files and install any pending patches to avoid compatibility errors. Once done, collect a starter resource kit, 100 wood, 50 stone, 10 metal, and a basic tool set. These essentials let you begin building without interruptions, and they reduce downtime while you apply updates. You now execute the main update and start rebuilding. Do this methodically. First, run the in-game updater or apply the manual patch through the launcher with admin rights so files replace cleanly. Next, migrate mods. Disable all, update them, then re-enable one at a time to find conflicts. While waiting, rebuild base components, foundations, power grid, and storage, so your build stays functional. Make sure to test each subsystem after reconstruction to catch issues before they cascade into bigger problems. You finish by optimizing and validating every element. Small tweaks matter. Begin by capping FPS and enabling level of detail to remove stutter, then audit assets to remove duplicate meshes or heavy textures. Next, finalize builds. Seal seams, add lighting, secure doors, and clearly label storage so you avoid resource loss. If something goes wrong, check the game logs, load the save in safe mode, and remove the most recent mod or patch. This targeted rollback often resolves crashes without erasing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.